Good afternoon. My name is Mike Patella. I'm the founder of Christian Business Connect, and this is our second edition of Meet the Member. This week we are talking to Lindsay Goebel of Lindsay Goebel State Farm. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. So I guess tell us a little bit about yourself, your company, and all that fun stuff.
Sure. I've been in the insurance industry for, it's been about 14 years now, with State Farm for 7. In just a few short months, my agency will be celebrating its 6th anniversary.
Congrats.
Thank you. So we have presently a team of 5 people in the office to help our clients get information they need in an efficient manner.
Excellent. Do you have any exciting things happening with your company right now outside of the 6-year anniversary?
Wow. As everyone knows, auto insurance is always unique and ever-changing. So we're keeping very close tabs on what's going on in Lansing regarding potential for reform of our no-fault legislation. In addition to that, State Farm has some new and exciting coverages on our homeowners policy that we are excited to tell everybody about.
Nice. Sounds like a lot of good stuff happening.
Yes.
So with that being said, what's your favorite thing about what it is you do?
This may sound a little cliche, but my favorite thing about what I do is meeting with my customers. Everyone needs auto insurance, everyone needs home insurance, and so we have the opportunity to sit down with people from all walks of life. We get to know them. We want to understand what's important to them so we can help them properly manage their risk. And we're helping people on a pretty intimate level, and really, to me, that's where my passion is.
Nice. It's awesome. It sounds very custom.
Very much.
And that's, especially with something as serious as insurance, I'm sure that goes a very long way.
Yes, absolutely.
So obviously, your clients keep you going. That's exciting. You love what you do, but not everything is perfect.
No.
So I guess with that being said, what's the least favorite thing it is about what you do?
From time to time, our customers have claims. So
sure, that comes along with it.
Yeah, whether it's an auto accident or an incident at their home. So unfortunately, we have to have conversations where things maybe aren't covered the way people thought they were, or maybe deductibles aren't in line with where people thought they were. So that's never an easy conversation. One we would prefer not to have. But on the flip side, it really encourages us to really develop that relationship with all of our customers so that we don't have to have that conversation. We can address coverages on the front end.
Nice. So going off all that, how long do you typically spend with the client up front?
So our new customer appointment generally is about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on our availability, or I should say the availability of our customers. Everyone is pretty busy these days, and it's hard to carve out that time. So we try to keep it as short and efficient as we can, but enough to just make sure we have the right protection in place.
Excellent. I'm sure that's very important, especially going off the least favorite part of it to avoid those issues down the road.
Absolutely.
So obviously you've been in insurance a long time. It sounds like you like what you do. How has God influenced your path to this point? How have you gotten here?
So I was in a corporate America job. I was a new mother, and I was really struggling with how to juggle it all, how to be a wife, a mother, a professional, and in addition, I have a passion for helping people. So I really was looking to God for direction on how can I find an opportunity that would allow me to do all of this. And I stumbled on the State Farm opportunity, not knowing at the time that God had presented it to me. And it was really the perfect match for me. It allows me to be a wife, a mother, a Christian, and to help people on a pretty personal level. So it's been very rewarding.
Excellent. That sounds good. And from my understanding, everything I hear, you're really good at what you do. So that's awesome.
Thanks, Mike.
Sounds like I put you in the right spot.
Thank you.
So what is the best type of client for you? Who is the best type of client, I should say?
Well, really anyone can be a client for us.
It's a fun thing about insurance.
Yes. But I would have to say my ideal client is a young family with a home, maybe a couple of vehicles. Those are the people who really benefit from our risk conversation. Oftentimes they don't recognize how specific risk can get in the way of them accomplishing their goals. Many of our clients have goals like saving for retirement, saving for children's education, buying a bigger home, paying off student loans, a multitude of things. But if something goes wrong and we haven't properly planned for it, those goals can't happen. And so really those young families are the ones where we can just kind of educate them, make sure that they have the right protections in place. You may have heard State Farm's new slogan, "Here to help life go right."
Yes.
And that really is sort of all-encompassing, but again, all in the spirit of making sure we plan for the unexpected so that when things go right, they truly go right.
That's tremendous.
Yeah.
Quick side note on that. Lindsay is in my exclusive business group with CBC, and during her member spotlight presentation, she used me as a guinea pig and only asked me a handful of the questions out there. And when I think of insurance, I didn't think of everything she asked. So I would highly recommend having a conversation with her. She'll test you. She'll test your knowledge of your actual finances. So with that being said, obviously we want to best up a client for you. How do you reach your clients now? What are the best ways that you do that?
Well, it's sort of always changing in our industry. There's obviously a lot of insurance agents out there, so we do reach out through referral partners such as real estate agents, mortgage brokers or originators. We also work with property managers, apartment complexes. So they're really good referral sources, and really anyone who has a customer themselves who needs insurance and who wants that evidence of insurance process to go smoothly, that's the right type of partner for us, because we strive at getting documents right the first time and getting them in promptly. So those would be our best referral partners, but we also are involved in events in the area. We do some charity marketing with some local organizations to help raise money for them and partner with them as well. So we're involved in a lot of different things to drive those opportunities.
Wow, that's tremendous. So do you have anything good with the business coming up that people should know about? Any events, or you just mentioned some charitable aspects that you'd like the world to participate in, or Facebook at least?
Sure.
Or at least our fan base on Facebook.
So as far as exciting things coming up, we have recently partnered with Blessings in a Backpack in support of the Avondale School District. So in addition to helping raise funds for their mission to feed at-risk children over the weekends, we've also started packing bags with them. And so it's an organization that needs volunteers on a weekly basis. So we are out there looking for volunteers to help pack. It's also an organization that is involved in other communities in the area too. And we'd love to connect volunteers through our Neighborhood of Good website. But in addition, we can connect you with the organizers to get involved. Nice.
That sounds awesome. How else, besides that, I'm sure that's a big thing right there based on my next question. Are there any other ways that you use your business or your career to be more through Christ?
So yeah, that is one of the ways that we have decided to do it. Really, it's about being good people, doing the right thing, and being compassionate in our customers' time of need. When a claim happens, it can be very emotional, whether it's an auto accident, where serious injuries were avoided, a house fire, even a death. Those are the times that our customers need us. It allows us to deliver on our promise to be there and really showing compassion in those times and being a disciple of Christ is really important. And so I'd say that's one of the things I'm really proud of.
Excellent. So before we go, are there any other things you'd like to say about you, yourself, your business, or why people should do business with you?
Sure. I appreciate the opportunity to chat here today. I hope my passion for helping people manage their risk and making sure they've got the right protections in place has come through in our conversation here today. So really just looking for anyone who wants to have that conversation, wants to have that annual checkup to make sure that their family is properly protected. Those are the people I'd love to connect with. It's a free conversation. Just takes a few moments of your time, and just really on a mission to make sure everyone has the right protection in place.
Well, thank you once again. If anyone wants to learn more about Lindsay Goebel, you can go to christianbc.com. Her company page is also tagged in this post too. And yeah, appreciate you all for watching, and we'll see you next time. Have a blessed weekend.
Thank you.
Hurry up, Kelsey.
I can't find it.
I hope that got on Facebook Live.